of the Kingston Frontenac Public Library, I'd like to welcome all of you here this morning.
We know that this will be an amazing place for all Kingstonians to learn new skills, make community connections, bring their kids for our great programs, and spend time studying.
Adi, Bozu, Babishki Makakwe, and Dishnikas, Mikanak Dodem, Bawaring and Dinjaba. Indinwe Maganadok. I welcome everyone here today. I also acknowledge my ancestors, and that's what Indinwe Maganadok means. I was so honored to be here yesterday to smudge for 90 minutes this entire building. I wanted to make sure that as we all enter these doors, we look at the windows, we look at the bricks and mortar that have been created in this place, that we always come together in a good way. When we walk through, our hearts are open and free.
It's amazing to see hundreds of Kingstonians that are already here to have our first look at this new and improved central branch. In here to the space for the first time today, the first thought that came to me was this was absolutely worth the wait.
I think the value that it has, you can look around and you can see it in this room right now. Every age group and every demographic that came down here, there was a lineup around the block, not for a concert, for a library opening. That's pretty cool.
To see where this library has come over the last 2.5 or 3 years truly is remarkable. And what I find most remarkable is how they've been able to evolve and build upon, bringing community together throughout the years. Now we're seeing new ways and new innovative ways to bring people and children into libraries.
Everything is bigger, more variety, and it's better layout.
Came in here and it is a beautiful space, beautifully done. The updating of this building ensures that the books in here, the information here is safe, and the users as well are safe for many years to come, and they're safe to use the books in a particularly beautiful environment.
After many years, I dreamt I came back to life as the newly renovated central branch of the Kingston Frontenac Public Library, downtown on Johnson, between Baggett and Wellington. It was late at night. By the time I arrived, I was closed. I didn't know what to do, so I woke up and walked back home.
The library is absolutely fabulous. I think it's wide open, it's bright. I love the carpet, I love the space. It's just, it's a whole new building, and it's great. I look forward to being here frequently.